All right, Audi interior lights, auxiliary underglow, auxiliary cutoff amp, hazard lights. Shit, I don't remember what that one was. This is interior light switch. There's the interior lights. I forgot what the hell that was. Oh. That was headlights. Headlights, interior lights, seat belts, click it or take it. See, I got USB port I gotta throw in. Got one switch down here. Let's see what this is. Got some fiberglass work to do on it. Hazard lights. Where'd my little mean greens go? Let's see here. No, that ain't it. Little mean greens. I got shit on my feet. Shit on my feet. I got shit on my feet. I got some shit on my feet. I got a couple of mean greens. Does anybody know what that means? See, USB port. USB port right here. Or should I do USB port right here? I don't know. We'll find out.